Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to talk about Euro US dollar. We're going to talk about a couple of short trading ideas in the markets. So we talked recently about Euro Yen and the potentials for Euro Yen to move to the downside after finding some key resistance highs, and that was pretty much the same as what we're looking for here on Euro US dollar. We talked about the fact that price may reject the 10600 area this week, which is pretty much this area up through here. Okay, now why did we think that? Well, dollar's getting stronger, and the fact that price sold off a number of times from this level would suggest that sellers are getting active around these types of areas. Okay, so not directly on the 10600 level, but that is a nice psychological number to be working with. And you can see here price formed a really good double top, equal high to the opens and closes, and then dropped to the downside. So looking for opportunities to potentially continue this move, because when we often see moves like this, we see moves back to previous areas where buyers entered the market. So if we look down here around about the 103 area, price did find buyers. We came down twice into this level and price took off to the upside. So what we're looking for is, are buyers going to be active down here again, or sellers going to drive price to test this area around about the 10300? It could be a little bit sooner than that. It could be the 104s. It could be a little bit higher as well, to the 104.3s off of this bullish candlestick in here. However, strong support down at the 10300 psychological level. So if we're going to trade or look for opportunities to get to that point, could we look for some short trading ideas on the way down? Now, there's a really nice opportunity today. Price broke through overnight in the Asia session. And following into sort of London session, price dropped to the downside, breaking through this structure area in here, and looking for potential for the market to basically continue to the downside. And what happened was price came back up into that area where that selling pressure came from initially. So like what we talked about over here on the higher time frame, it happened on a lower time frame. Aggressive selling coming into the market, we pull back into that area, and again aggressive selling has followed on from that point. So what we need to do is identify a similar thing again. Where did those aggressive sellers come into the market? Where can I look to get positioned? If we look at the previous structure high now, so where that originated from is a little bit lower, so it's around about the 105.70 or 105.12 I should say, all the way up into the 105.35. Okay, so we've got about a 25 pip, 24 pip sort of range here that price could retest before moving to the downside. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, it's pretty much that 4-hour candlestick. Okay, we just refined it a little bit on the hourly then, but what we're looking for is that turning point in the market. Where did price start to go aggressive selling? And it was just up through here. So essentially, if price was to pull back into that area, we could be looking for bearish price action for an opportunity down into this key support zone. Alternatively, you can look at it on a lower time frame. So like I said then, what you can do is refine the area down a little bit, like into that 23, 24 pip range at the high of the move. And if price was to come back into that area, you could look for some opportunities to the downside. So keep an eye on Euro US dollar. There's a couple of short trading ideas to consider for us in the market. Looking for prices to come back down to the 103. Dollar index has broken out to the upside. We've broken this trend as well, so likelihood is that we could see some further downside in the short term. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.